Psych, just kidding. My new catchphrase is, I don't give a fuck!
Watch who you fuck with and never ever trust a nigga for nothing. Even if you feel like you really love her, don't never tell a bitch that you really love her. Cause that's when she gon' make you feel like you nothing. And that's when you gon' start to feel like you bugging.
Flooded my chain and it Gucci. I don't want that girl, she moody. I'm basically saying I'm cooler. Get Dior discounts from my cougar. Back in the 6th grade, I got them bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. Hey yo, F-R-E-K. I'm a movie, I should be on replay. I'm tryna F-U-C-K. He got I got me some dice. They thought I was gay. Let me get you put that side, it's purple like lean. $1,000 I can spend for your head. Talk on it once, I don't care what you said. Cause your mother, now you my one to carry for my head.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body yoddy shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer. Vida loca. High as a cat, never sober.
When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, you're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. Feeling myself a conceited, feeling myself a conceited. I can't remember, but it's alright, alright. Just she gon' keep her hands in my pants cause she a freak. I told her that I'm celibate, ain't fucking by the week. Psych, bitch, I lie. Got Molly-ness with promethazine. Cause every time I wake up in the morning I got murder on my mind. I got diamonds on my Rolex, I got diamonds on my chain. Based on the way you apologize when you came to see me, and then you had the nerve to defend mistakes that you made at the end. You said I was too invested in. Pop it. Might drop a 10 in the floor. I'm so offended. I thought that you knew this before.
2 guns, yeah, 4C, 4 yeah. 2 guns, yeah, 4C.
In the end, it's better for me. That's the moral of this story. Some mistakes get made. That's alright. That's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just in love.
Hey baby girl, and it's you are the key, yo. Because I then, from you looking at me, I can me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me?